Hey everyone, welcome back to 5M Tech. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the newest flagship from OnePlus, the OnePlus 12, so let's get started now. Taking a look at the body design, OnePlus has stuck with a premium feel. The device boasts a metal frame, giving it a sturdy build. Up top, you will find a blaster microphone and a studio speaker, while the bottom houses another microphone, another studio speaker, a Type-C charging port, and the SIM card tray. It has IP68 water resistance, and it also has the signature OnePlus Alert slider, which allows you to easily switch between silent, vibrant, and ring modes. It's got a weight of around 220 g, measuring 1,633 millimeters in length and 75.8 millimeters in width. And let's not forget that beautiful Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with just 2 protection on that extra durability. The OnePlus 12 packs a punch with its lithium polymer 5400 mAh battery. Charging is lightning fast with a 100 watts adapter, but nowadays others flagship phones offers 120 watts fast charger. Anyway, if you prefer wireless charging, it supports 50 watts speed and the 10 watts reverse charging. You can fully charge this beast in just 26 minutes. The OnePlus 12 features the stunning 6.82 inches curved ULED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It supports Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus boost, a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. It's definitely one of the best displays on the market right now because this offers 4,500 nits peak brightness and a pixel density of 510 ppi. The resolution stands at 1440 by 3,168 pixels, all protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Side things are a bit different depending on where you purchase the phone. The Chinese variant comes with Color OS 4, while the global variant will have Origin OS 14. Both are smooth and user-friendly. But Origin OS is typically preferred by hardcore OnePlus fans. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Adreno 750, it promises a smooth user experience. You will also get UFS 4.0, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type 3.2, and OTG support for selfie enthusiasts. The OnePlus sports our 32 meters opel front camera, supporting 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 30 and 60 FPS thanks to the Sony IMAX 615 sensor. The rear camera setup. This device is equipped with a powerful 50-megapixel main camera and 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro lens and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with HDR panorama and the legendary Hazard Blade Touch 1 shooting video at video. Video can handle 4K at 30 and 60 FPS and 8K at 24 FPS. I do want to mention a slight hiccup during video recording. When zooming out, there seems to be a bit of distortion. I tried few times, but still the footage gets a bit choppy and pixelated, which is something that hopefully will be addressed in a future software update. Wrapping it up, the OnePlus 12 comes in 3 elegant colors, black, green, and silver, and offers 4 variants. The base model 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage is priced at roughly $607. I converted this price from Google so you can check it out again. If you are looking for the top 24 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage variant, it will set you back approximately $820. That concludes our review of the OnePlus 12. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to 5M Tech and ring that notification bell to stay updated. We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.